Guys, I'm broke. I accidentally spent all my money on Tai Lopez's course, and now I have absolutely $0 in my bank account. And in this video, I am going to be turning $0 into well over 1,000 without begging for money, without doing anything illegal, and finally, without using my social media audience. So to get things started here, I'm in my parents' backyard. They pay me $20 to mow the lawn, so let's start making some money. And boom, before I knew it, I went hard mowing every square centimeter of both my front yard and my backyard. And after 1 hour of mowing, everything was finally completed. I just finished mowing my entire lawn and I earned myself a fat $20 bill in the process. So now guys, that I've gotten the ball rolling by earning at least a little bit of paper, it is time to move on to the next money-making venture. The second way we're going to be making money in this challenge video is through something known as affiliate marketing. And in case you guys don't know what that is, it's basically when you refer a friend to a product or service, and in turn for doing so, you earn a commission. And that commission can range anywhere between like 25 cents and $100. In our case, I am going to try referring people to this app by the name of Cash App. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically an app that literally lets you send money, very similar to PayPal. And their affiliate program states that you get $5 for every single person you get to sign up for the app. And as long as that person sends at least $5 to anyone, they also make themselves a solid 5 bones. So their affiliate program makes it beneficial for both the affiliate and also the person signing up. I am going to start things off by literally messaging every single one of my friends on Snapchat to ask if they want to sign up for Cash App. And along with that, I have another idea that's relatively extreme. In my house, I found a bunch of poster board and I am going to be writing on each of them, urging people to sign up for Cash App to earn a fat $5 at the same time. And then once I write on each poster board, I am going to be driving into the city and hanging up the posters around town. So when people see them, they'll hopefully sign up for Cash App and earn me a fat $5. I just finished writing on each of the poster boards, so now it is time to hop in the old Corolla mobile and let's hang up each of the signs.
Only love me 'cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rocking. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knocking. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang. Gucci gang, think I'm Gucci man.
The second and also last location I am going to be hanging up the rest of these 4 signs is in a pretty popular strip mall in my local area. There are a bunch of different places to shop and also restaurants, so I'm going to try hanging signs up in smart places in front of all of these different buildings. So guys, wish me luck and let's hang up some signs.
Wifey on my line, she told me to dumb it.
I am about to do something probably extremely stupid, and that is hang up one of our signs in the Starbucks drive-thru. We might get in trouble for this, but I've already pre-taped the sign, so if I get in and out of there super quick, we should be all right. So let's go, guys.
I get on to put my mans on. Always greedy since the day I got my first say.
I just finished hanging up a bunch of signs around town advertising the affiliate marketing business. And well guys, I guess it's time to just wait and see what happens. It has officially been about 1 day since we last spoke, and well guys, I have some pretty good news. We are currently sitting at $30 in total money because yesterday I got a total of $10 in Cash App referrals, and unfortunately none of them came from the signs we put up. When I went to check on each of the signs, literally all of them had been taken down, so I guess that mission was a total fail. But I guess the good news is we're still sitting at a grand total of $30, and I think I have a pretty good plan on what to do with the money. I am going to be starting up a little video editing corporation where I offer to edit other YouTubers' videos for only $25 a pop, which is super cheap, I know, but hey, I only have $30 to my name, so I think it's kind of worth it at this point. To get things started with this business setup, I am going to be creating a Fiverr seller account and offering my video editing services to anyone who would potentially be interested. posted. And obviously, to prove I actually know what I'm doing when it comes to video editing, I am going to be referencing this YouTube channel and all 180 something videos I've uploaded onto it. And on top of offering my services on Fiverr, of course, I am also going to be creating an Instagram page for the editing business by the name Your Editing Wiz, and I am going to be reaching out to YouTubers in a bunch of different niches to ask if they would like to get their videos edited by yours truly. Guys, I have no idea if this is going to work. Wish me luck, and I will keep you guys updated. Hey guys, it's day 3 of this challenge, and well, guess what? No one wants me to be their YouTube video editor, which is just so disappointing. Even the people I reached out to and offered my services for free didn't want to work with me, which is just super sad, but I'm not going to give up on my dream of becoming a professional video editor, and instead I am going to reach out to many more people over the next couple of days, and hopefully I catch my big break. And in the meantime, I am also going to be starting a revolutionary new business. In a video I made about a month ago, I showed people how to start a dropshipping business with only $100. And well, guess what? That method also works if you're a peasant like me with only $30 to your name. All you have to do is start up a Teespring shop selling custom canvases, advertise your shop through Instagram theme pages with paid shoutouts, and hopefully you'll get enough sales on your website to cover all of your costs and also make a profit at the same time. For this challenge, I am going to be using a custom canvas shop I have used in the past by the name of Prestige Canvases. The canvas shop basically features a bunch of designs from famous billionaires and their famous quotes such as Warren Buffett, Steve Jobs, and there's even a canvas on the store that reminds people that time equals money. To advertise the canvas store, I am going to be reaching out to a bunch of Instagram theme pages in the business/motivational niche, and I found this page after a lot of searching by the name Way to Millionaire. It has about 33.5k followers, and it's getting significant traction from the Instagram Explore page. When I hit the owner of the Instagram theme page up and asked what kind of coinage we're talking for a story shout out and feed post, he hit me with a price of only 15 bones, which is honestly not bad at all for a page in the business niche of that size with that engagement. So of course I sent him the money, the post went live, and now it's time to play the waiting game, and hopefully we get some sales, guys, because if we don't, we're gonna be absolutely broke again. Lady Gaga, bitch. I'm back at it again for another day of this episode. And of course, I'm here with a bigger ego, a bigger bank account, and finally, a bigger smile. Yesterday, the Teespring store didn't just get 1 sale, it didn't just get 2 sales, but guys, it got a grand total of 3 sales. That's right, we're balling now on like a whole nother level. After all expenses yesterday, I turned my $30 into $54.30. And it doesn't just stop there because I referred 2 of my friends to Cash App, bringing our new total to $64.30. Guys, I'm getting this tingly feeling of luckiness right now, and I think I know just the right thing to do. And boom, we pulled up to the only place we are allowed to gamble in the United States under the age of 21 years old. I have $10 worth of quarters in this bag right here, and well, let's engage the first dollar into the machine. And boom, there I went, gambling money like I was Dan Bilzerian on a casual Tuesday night. At first, things started off pretty rough with the coin pusher, as it seemed for every 2 quarters I was putting into the machine, I was only getting like 1 quarter out, when suddenly something magical happened.
What the heck happened?
What the heck happened? That is right, guys. A huge mountain of quarters randomly fell from the coin pusher, and we came out in the positive on our gambling adventure. We just finished playing at the coin pusher inside of the bowling alley we like to go to, and we turned $10 into $15, so we made a profit of $5, bringing us to a total of almost $70 in total money, which is super exciting. Guys, I have some more things planned for the rest of this challenge, but I don't think that stuff will go on until tomorrow, so I will see you guys then. Hola amigos, it is now day 5 of this challenge, and well, I think it is time to take a massive risk with the Canvas dropshipping business. I just dropped a third of our net worth on this Instagram shoutout on this page by the name Money for the Mind. It has about 149k followers, and it seems to be getting pretty good traction from the Instagram Explore page. If we can get at least 5 to 6 Canvas sales from this Instagram promotion, I will call it a massive win in my book. But guys, only time will tell the results of this promotion, so I will see you in 12 hours as soon as this deal ends. To wrap things up for this challenge, the Canvas shop ended up making an additional 7 sales, and after all product costs and marketing costs, I made a profit of $61.50 from this single Instagram influencer promotion. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's either the most or second most I have ever made on this channel working with one Instagram influencer. So guys, with that profit calculated, that brings our money total for this challenge up to $125.80. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe if you have not already, and with that all being said, peace out.